What is happening with you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video coming to you live from the red light here in Tyler. So today we're actually going to be installing some coilovers on this car. So this thing is in much need of some coilovers. This car has 182,000 miles on it. It is getting old and it is still on the original suspension. Don't ask me why I haven't done it yet. Honestly, I really don't know. I just haven't done it. But today that's what we're gonna change, get rid of that bouncy ride. And so this is kind of gonna be like a mod and maintenance at the same time. But that is what we're gonna be doing today. I'm actually headed to my boy Carter's house right now. He lives about an hour away. So we're headed to his house, hop in the garage. He's got a lot more space. And so a couple other guys are gonna be hopping over just to chill out, hang out. You know how it is. So I will see you guys there.
1 hour later.
Alrighty, just pulled up, and I don't know, I kind of like the stock ride height, but it's whatever. I need to put coilovers on it anyway. Got Carter's Camaro cleaned up yesterday. Shout out Edwin. Sheesh. Looking good. It's a shame that it's gonna rain, or at least it looks like it. It's supposed to rain today. And here's Cisco's Genesis. They got the cat delete installed yesterday. Let me hear that bad boy. Sounds pretty good, not gonna lie. So it's got the...
It has an ISR downpipe and Tomei midpipe.
Heck yeah.
Secondary cat delete.
Bro's trying to be fresh kicks with the Tomei. Heck yeah. That's sick, dude. I love the way this thing looks. Especially like the back end of this thing looks super wide. It's pretty sick. Look at that. Oh. But yeah, we're about to go ahead and pull the car in the shop. Got the shop all cleaned out. Thank you, Carter. Pull this bad boy up in here and get started on this coilover install. And hopefully everything goes well. All right, let's go ahead and get this bad boy pulled on in. I think I'll actually probably just back it in.
System ready.
This thing sounds so crazy since it's in the garage. Yeah, it's basically fully enclosed in here too. But got it backed in, time to jack it up and start to work. Alright, here they are, the Raceland coilovers. Obviously I've already opened it because I had to make sure everything was there. Get that out the way. Got our strut spreader to spread the strut, the sticker. Okay. Sheesh. New mounts. Those are the rear mounts. These are the front mounts. So I got new mounts. Put those over there. This I thought was pretty cool. They send you like a little keychain that's the exact same as the coilover. If I can open this with one hand. Oh, thank you, Carter. Check this bad boy out. Pretty sick. Full matching keychain. Not a big keychain guy, but might put it on something. And then adjustable sway bar links. And there's the coils. So, it's really humid right now, and Carter's shop floor won't stop sweating. So, guess we're about to go ahead and get started.
The floor is kind of nervous.
Yeah, floor's nervous, I'm nervous. It's my first time ever putting coilovers on something, so we'll see how it goes. All right, got the car basically levitating. It's off the ground. So, time to go ahead and start taking things apart. Man, hopefully should have this thing knocked out in no time. Adrian pulled up. Cisco working on this side. Carter and Adrian are back here working in the back.
It's way more back here to this than I thought there was going to be.
Oh yeah.
Everything has to come out.
Oh yeah, well mainly just these interior panels. And then there should be like a rubber boot back there somewhere. So, yeah. Shouldn't be too bad. Ratcheting wrenches, man. These things are a gift from God. All right, we got strut number 1 out. And check this thing out. The freaking bump stop on this thing. I can barely see it. I mean, just take my word for it. That bump stop is freaking terrible. But we got the front strut out. Passenger side one's fixing to come out here soon as well. Pretty close to getting that thing out, and they're working in the back. So I guess we're gonna go ahead and get a front one and get that thing put in there. Let's see, there's the front one. Sheesh. Yes, sir. Man, ain't nothing like no new parts.
Warning labels, dude. So make sure we don't mess
Gotta
up.
make sure the thing can explode and pop you in your face. Shoot, time to get that new one put in. So we finally got this thing assembled. This freaking strut mount was a pain in the butt, low key. Everything else has been pretty simple up until then, but we had to do some rigging to get this nut up onto the strut mount. So we had to stick an Allen key up in there. It was a bit of a rig. Yeah, it's for the rig. So yeah, but now should be able to get this thing put in the front. The other one shouldn't be so bad now. Looking real good. I'm so ready for it to not be bouncing around. Yeah. Like the car has bouncy suspension, bouncy worn out springs. You got a nut? Did it come with something? Hopefully that's the supposed to stick a jack under there, but I didn't, so. Heck yeah, that's perfect. Sheesh. Looks good, man. Should be good. Cause I'll just come back up here and tighten all this by hand. I'm freaking stoked about it. This is gonna be sick. Shoot, I mean the fronts are almost done, really. I mean these, and then we'll go to the back.
What would you like to eat, sir?
You said Domino's. Domino's, we can go up there and get boxes, or we can get kills. And it is 6:20. The front is put together. Unfortunately, it's already dark out. 6:20. Freaking blows. But yeah, now we're gonna go ahead and get this rear knocked out, which probably can't even see that. Probably should have turned the flash on, but probably get this rear knocked out and get this thing back down on the ground. I think it should be on that other side, Cisco. Whatever we use. Should be over there. I guess I gotta assemble this thing first. Like that, right? And then that, and then that. That sounds right. And this goes in the back. This thing's ready to come out. So let me get them ugly struts out of here. Yeah, boy. Oh, boy. When that settles, that's going to be... Is it really? The side is like that. Alright, so coilovers are on. About to give this bad boy a cold start because it is 9 o'clock in the evening. And we're in an enclosed space, so why not give it a little cold start? Yeah, look. Alright.
Days
morning, you guys. So it is actually a couple days later, and we got the coilovers installed, but we did have a couple of issues since it was our first time doing this. But they are installed, they're on the car. I've got everything adjusted the way I want it. So let me go ahead and show that now. Check it out. Oh yeah. Might go a little bit lower on the rears, not 100% sure yet, but I think overall it's looking pretty good. There's the fronts. I really like where the fronts sit right now as well. So we're about to go ahead and head to the tire shop. All right, so we are at a much quieter location and the wheels and tires are on. I gotta say, I'm hella excited to show you guys because they're clean. They look amazing. Ethan, what you think, man?
So, man, to be completely honest, before this man shows y'all, y'all must understand, black and white on any German sports car, this one specifically, since it looks like an M3, man, it's very appeasing to the eye.
Go ahead and drop your comments, drop your guesses down below in the comments, guys. If you don't know already, unless you follow me on Instagram, then you probably already know. But without further ado, let me just go ahead and show y'all real quick. And boom! What do you guys think? Got some Avant-Garde 359s. These are in a pretty aggressive spec too, I will say that. Check out that fitment. Oh yeah. Now, I will say it took a little bit of work to get the rears to fit. The specs, you guys, are 19 by 9 in the front plus 35. 19 by 10 in the back plus 25. So they're very close to the OEM M3 comp wheel specs. And man, check that out. That looks so good. Silver wheels, guys. Silver wheels on black cars. It looks so good. So good. But yeah, check that out. We had to roll and pull the fenders on the back. The fronts, I had to run a 5mm spacer to clear the coilovers first. I was running a 12mm, but I think that was just a little bit too big. And here's what we're looking like on the front. So just running a little 5mm, the tire's super close, super duper close, but check it out. I think that looks pretty fire. Super excited about this wheel setup. Looks so good. I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick B-roll real quick, just so that way you guys can see a better close-up of how this setup is looking. Well, guys, that about wraps up for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you like the new setup as well. I'm loving it. Huge thanks to all of my friends that helped me install these coilovers on the car, and huge shout out to Bryce for hooking me up with these wheels and tires, the Avant-Garde M359s. Huge thanks to all of you who have helped me get this to where it is now. So, without further ado, this video is over. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.